Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and positioning the device. This is where proper function begins. First, charge the tracker fully, insert a data SIM if it requires one, and power it on. Next, pair it to your phone or web account using the manufacturer app so you confirm connectivity. Once paired, place the tracker at your chosen mount point, under the seat or inside a hollow frame, because signal matters and concealment reduces theft risk. With the tracker ready, you now install and configure it for reliable tracking. Attach it firmly using zip ties and tape so vibration won't disconnect contacts. Make sure antennas aren't blocked. Then dive into settings, update firmware, set GPS reporting to a practical interval such as 10 or 60 seconds, and enable geofences or motion alerts so you get timely updates. Finally, test by writing a short loop and confirming. To finish, conceal wiring and double-check notifications so you receive low battery and theft alerts. Record the device ID for recovery. Make it routine. Inspect battery weekly and apply firmware or app updates monthly to maintain security and accuracy. If tracking fails, reboot the tracker, reset or replace the SIM card, and verify app permissions and location services on your phone. If GPS still drifts, relocate the unit slightly. Small position changes often restore satellite visibility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.